We are about getting ready. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Josie Zoe. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, leave a comment and share. If you are a returning viewer, hi. You are the real fun. Today is the dinner party. This video is a continuation of Get Ready With Me Vlogmas 1. I'll leave the link down below if you want to watch that video. So click on the description box and you'll see Get Ready With Me. When I get there, I'm not sure I'll be talking to you guys. I'll just be taking videos because I'm sure the sounds and everything can't be shouting on top of my voice. But guys, bear with me and let's go.
The game is very simple. I will pick a random person. Okay. I will pick a random person. Okay. Let's go. 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 He's the one. Mewie na me national service de me ko.
What's up, loves? Like, my voice sounds very tired. I just woke up. We close at 4 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up and I got TV talk. I've been shouting throughout the night. I'm sorry I've lost my voice, but I've been shouting throughout the night, and literally I was just taking videos because That's the only thing I could have done. And if you didn't see me dancing, please, you don't want to see me dance. I'm so bad. I do not know my steps for dancing. I do not know. I beg. I made check. I don't know. Wow, mommy me. I don't know how to dance. Like, the worst thing I am at is dancing. So I'm sorry you didn't see me dance. I'm just vlogging people who were dancing. So bear with me. Well, yeah. I think we did games, we did truth or dare, we did hot seats, and you choose your partner you dance with. I don't know how to dance, so if you come and choose me, I won't come. I don't want any disgrace. You can't teach me a dance today. That very moment you told me to dance, to be hell and fire. Like, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Regardless you didn't see me more often, I know you guys love to see me, but don't worry, you still have me here. I need to get something to eat. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Your girl is tired. I'm so tired. Like, if you can't really hear me, please bear with me. I cannot even shout or pitch. Like, I nearly forget, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Like, please, if you want me to keep producing more of these videos, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and be sharing my channel. The name is Josie Zoe. If you are new here, hello. Thank you. Vlogmas 2, 3, 4, 5 is upcoming. Stay tuned.